Boys and girls, I hope everyone is well, and in today's training we're going to go through an advanced ManyChat tutorial. So I've already given you a tutorial on ManyChat, but I haven't given you an advanced one, and this one is a very good method to turn prospects into paying clients and just start conversations in the DMs. So let's just get into it straight away. So again, I've shown you how to create basic automations on ManyChat. Let's get a bit more advanced. Let me show you how to leverage a free training / VSL to book calls with a ManyChat sequence. This is very overpowered, but anyway, let's just get into it. First of all, why is ManyChat so overpowered? It can save you a bunch of time. It can make you look way more professional. It can make sure your prospect receives something straight away, and you don't forget anyone along the way, like while sending over things, because you might get a load of comments, etc. So the point of the advanced automation. So the point of this advanced automation is to send them over to your video sales letter positioned as a free training. Okay, so your video sales letter, you should already have that in line. So you should have already created a video sales letter. You should have already made one. If you've been through this community and you've watched all the videos, you should know by now you need a video sales letter. That's the main selling point. Okay, the main thing that's going to sell your actual service, okay, and convince your prospect that your process is the process they need. So it's also going to leverage them messaging you and starting a conversation, because they're going to message you first a keyword or comment a keyword, etc. And then you're going to turn that conversation into a booked call, which I will show you how. So here's what you actually need for this to work. You need your video sales letter to be created. Again, there's a module in the classroom going through exactly this. Exactly how to create it, how to script it. There's a module going through all of that, and you need your book a call link. So hopefully you use Calendly, which I think everyone uses, mostly everyone uses. And you also need a ManyChat membership, and that's like £15 a month. Okay, so let's get into it. So first of course you're going to go into ManyChat, and you're going to go down to automations, which will be over here, this one right here, you can see right there. And then you're going to go new automation. Then you're going to go start from scratch. Okay, I have no idea what this means at the top. If anyone knows what that means, like, I don't know why I need a wallet. I've already paid the membership. Don't know what that means, but anyway, we're going to start off with the trigger. So select trigger, and then plus new trigger, and then user comments on your post or reel. And then I just do all posts, because I want all the posts to be and that's why you have to have pro. That's why you have to have pro, because it's pro all posts. Okay, so keywords include, so for my example, I'm going to do magnify, and then also magnify. This is just in case people comment like different stuff. Okay, magnify, and then continue, and then you can do random replies. You can just do sent, check DMs, got you, check DMs, and then you can put like a little fire emoji, and then you can press save. And now you're going to press on Instagram, so send message. Then you're going to add text. You're going to say, hey, then go down to here, Instagram username, want me to send over the exclusive Instagram training, question mark, and you're going to add button, and then you're going to say send it over with an emoji. Again, you're going to go send message, and you're going to put that one down here, add text. Then you're going to put beautiful, all I need is your email, so I can grant you access to my training. By replying with your email, you consent to us using us using and storing it to deliver exclusive trainings and a free surprise. This is where you're going to add in a time delay. So, smart delay. So I would wait 40 seconds and allow them 40 seconds to enter their email, and then it will just send it anyway. So I'm gonna be straight up, I'm not sure how you can just get people to put their email in and then it sends a message back. I've tried every way and I don't know that yet, and the only way I've found out how to do it is put a smart delay on, so it waits 40 seconds. It gives the prospect enough time to be like, okay, what email should I pick? Here you go, and then they send it, and then they will send over. So it's a smart delay, so you can use that. Then you're gonna select the card, so it's the same thing. It's another Instagram message, and then you're gonna go down here and select card here. And what you're gonna do now is insert an image there. I'm just gonna insert a random image. I just put that one in, and then you can add a title to it and the URL to the actual training. So what you're going to do is go YouTube. You're going to get your actual VSL link. So mine's all the way down here. Get shareable link, and then you're going to go, this is a little hack that I like to use. You're going to go link twin, so it takes them over to the actual browser. Log into link twin. Then you're going to go links, paste that link in there, shorten, done, and then you're going to press copy, come back to ManyChat, paste it in the card URL, and then you can put as promised, here you go, and then you can put, for example, my title's magnify your content. You can also add a button as well and just press free training, and then press Instagram message. Sorry, you're gonna get rid of that. Just put free training here, and then you're gonna go to, then all you're gonna do is go next step, a smart delay again, and then you're gonna wait 40 minutes. So you're going to follow up with them once they've received the training to see if they've watched it or not. So go here, go minutes, and go 40, and then what I would do, so you can do whatever time you want. I'll do 40 minutes, 40 minutes is completely fine. Then you can send another message, so go next step, and then press Instagram, and then press yo, you checked the free training yet? Then you can press add button. Yes sir. Fire. Press Instagram. Move that down here. Go back to yes sir, and then press add another button, and let's press not yet, we'll do ASAP, and then press Instagram again, and press that up here. When someone responds yes sir, when someone clicks on that, you can just put let's go. And then on this one you can put great man, let me know when you do. Let me know when you do. And then you're gonna go next step, bring it towards here, and then press Instagram message again. And then you can say quick question, why did you want the training? Why did you want the free training? You can put, for me it would be looking to scale. And then you can press Instagram again, put that above here, and then click back on here, and then press that again, and then you can put or just looking. And and then you can press Instagram again. And on looking to scale one, you can put, now this is where you're going to try like get them on a call. That's great, would love to have a conversation with you about how we could help. And then press new button, press that here, and then press new button again, and then say either okay for now, or you can press new button and press would love that, and just put emoji, and then press Instagram again. And then you're going to go back to just looking, so the just looking stage, and then you're going to press add text. And then on just looking one, you can go, great man, would love some feedback on the training and what I should create next. Then you can put I got feedback, and or you can put no feedback. And then you can make sure you click on Instagram again, and then Instagram again, and then bring that down here. And then I got some feedback. It would be great, let me know your feedback. And if they say no feedback, just leave it like that and put a shaking hand. But back to I would love that, what you're going to put in, like let's just say for example he says quick question, why did you want the free training? And they say looking to scale, and you say that's great, would love to have a conversation with you about how we could help. And the one for would love that, you would put something like, that's great, booking a call down below whenever you're available and we can speak about scaling your biz with content. Then you're going to add button, then open website, and then put book a call, and then you're going to put your Calendly, link. So let's get the Calendly link. Gonna paste it in there, press done. And then for this question, for I'm okay for now, you can put no problem, let me know if you need anything, help with anything at all. Then you can put just appreciate it, then add text, and then just say that. And yeah guys, that's the automation. So let me run you through it, because I didn't run through it like properly, but just make sure from this one forward. So here's the start, let me show you the start. That's the start. So from after the second time delay, make sure you put here send with as comment reply, then here send with as comment reply, and then you can leave that with 24-hour window, but then these two send with as comment reply, and this as comment reply, and then all the rest as comment reply, as comment reply, as comment reply, as comment reply. So yeah, so this is what's going to happen when someone comments on your post. They're going to comment the keyword, they're going to get sent, hey Instagram username, want me to send over the exclusive training. They're going to click send it over. This is going to send, beautiful, all I need is your email. It's going to wait 40 seconds to give them enough time to put that email in. If they just don't put it in, they get it sent anyway. So yeah, and then they get sent the free training. They click on that, it takes them to the actual YouTube browser with the video in. That should be your video sales letter video. Then it's going to wait 30 to 40 minutes, and then it's going to check in again saying, yo, you checked out the free training yet? If they press yes sir, it will come up with let's go. If they do not yet, it will come up great man, let me know when you do. The next step, it's going to be quick question. Why did you want the free training? Looking to scale. So this is gonna, like, obviously you're gonna have to tailor this towards your industry. If you're not a content agency, don't copy this. Come up with a different question. So quick question: why do you want the training? Looking to get in the best shape of my life, or just looking. That's an example for fitness. But tailor it towards your industry. Then if they press on looking to scale, it will come up, that's great, we'd love to have a conversation with you about how we could help. If they just say just looking, it come up with, great man, would love some feedback on the training, what I should create next. And then here it would say I got feedback. It would say great, let me know your feedback. Then they can put your feedback and you can just look at that manually. Then no feedback if they reply, and it would be it would just say that. And then if they say looking to scale, we'll see great. And then if they say I'm okay for now, it will be no problem, let me know if you need help with anything at all, I got you. Then they press appreciate it, and then this will get sent as soon as they send that. And then if they say would love that for booking and a call, if they say would love that for the conversation, this will send that's great, booking a call down below whenever you're available, and we can speak about scaling your biz with content or getting in shape or growing your Airbnb business or whatever you do. And then it will say book a call. They can click on it, it goes to your calendar link, and they can book a call. This is why this is so overpowered. They can literally book a call from it. Even if they don't, it started the conversation with them, and you can finish it off. You can use your appointment setting frameworks to finish it off and get them on a call after they watch the free training. But yeah, that's what it's going to do. It's just going to get them to your video sales letter to convince them that your process is the process they need to get from point A to point B. Then all you're going to do is set live, and then you can actually preview it. So press send it over, and then these are going to send over. But that's not going to happen straight away. It's just because it's showing you a preview. They have to reply. They have to reply to this 40 seconds, and that will send. Then 40 minutes go by, you checked out, and then you can press yes sir, and you say let's go, and then you can press looking to scale. That's great, would love that, that's great, booking a call. And then it takes you to the actual call. Okay, so that's how it would work. Or if you press I'm okay with it now, no problem, appreciate it, then boom. it's so sick how it works. Okay, or let's just say for example you press just looking, it would come up with great man, would love some feedback on the training, I got feedback, great, let me know your feedback, no feedback, and then boom, done. So that's why it's so overpowered. And this is just going to get again your prospect over to your video sales letter and also start a conversation. So guys, I hope you got some value from this. It was quite a long video. That went by quite quick. It's damn, I started recording at like 4:30. that went by quite quick, I can't lie. 27 minutes. So yeah, okay, great. So that's how to actually set up the automation for an advanced automation. You can probably set that up for story reply as well, and you can also this one's for comment on when someone comments on your post. So I hope you got some value from this. Thanks guys for watching. Peace.